Hi, welcome back. Hello, folks and students. In this session, we will check how to filter and sort the data in Excel. Okay. Without wasting further time, let's try to check this example. Okay. Here we have a list of student number, student roll number, student name, and class and section data. So first half and second half of the attendance, it is talks about this table. Okay. So if you would like to do this, first let's select the complete table actually. Okay. So I required only table. Okay. So let me show you. Once it is selected, so just go to the data and click here filter. Okay. So if I would like to filter, so probably like by class, assume that to whoever the guys attended attendance, I would like to filter like this. Okay. Just click on this filter. So if I say select all, again, total data will be available. So let me try to filter again with this. Okay. So I filtered the students who attended, okay, their attendance of 8th class. In that, I would like to filter by again section. I would like to see who is belongs to C section. Okay. This is how you can able to filter it. Okay. So again, if you select control all, and if I remove the filter, filter will be removed automatically. If I would like to put a filter for certain column, I can able to do this also. So just select the class and just put the filter. I can able to filter by, so fifth and sixth, if I would like to filter it, just select it. So I can able to do the filter here only, not any other columns. Okay. So let's try to add. Okay. So filter for all. So I would like to filter again. Let me show you. So let's try to do the filter of fifth and sixth and eighth. Okay, this within that I would like to filter who actually attended second off. Okay, or else who is absent. That also can able to filter. This is how you can able to filter it different ways. Okay, this is fine. So let me select all. Okay. So what are the other options we have in this filtering? Okay, let's check this. Okay, for example, I would like to make it this one also. Okay. So for example, if you come here, okay, you can see this sort A to Z. Okay, you can able to sort from if it starts from A to Z. Okay, and this is ascending and descending order. You can able to do that, and by filtering also you can able to do that. Let's do one thing. So let's come here. Okay, by name. So now see this. The first name is R G S like that, right? So I would like to filter by A to Z. Now you can see this A after that G like that. J K like that. You can able to sort it out. This is one way. So Z to A in the similar way. So it's coming from bottom to top. Okay. So it is filtering like this. This is two ways. So if you would like to off this, you can off this. Okay. So this is there is one more sorting. Okay. So there is something called text. Something is equal to that. Also, we can able to do that. Okay. So within the text, it can able to. Okay. We can see those features later. So for example, if I know the specific, so you have assume that 1,000 rows. You know the name of the king. Okay. So just deselect this and add. Okay. Like this also specific where you can able to search and filter also. So you can able to do that. Suppose if you added any new data that if you'd like to add for your current selection, that also you can able to do that. Okay. So maybe let me put it. So first assume that I selected Albert. I would like to select. Okay. So maybe Linda. Okay. So what it is asking? So Albert already is there in current selection. So when I'm filtering Linda, you would like to add it. You just have to remove this. Okay. So that, so it will be added. Now see this with Albert, Linda also added like that, you can able to make the filter actually. This is basically, text you can search, and you have other text filters also. Okay. Based on the text, you can able to try it. And apart from that, sorting this one. Okay. Let's check this sort by color, how it works. Okay. So let's select this first. Okay. So let's try to filter by fifth. Okay. So fifth, I'll just would like to make with one color. Okay. Let's come to the home. So let's try to make it this one as orange. Okay. So let's go to the now go to the sixth actually. Okay. Sixth, this is maybe this green color. Okay. Now go to the eighth. For example, three is sufficient. I can able to show that. Okay. Probably like if I come here for eight, okay, I may would like to filter with blue color. Okay, let's save this. So if you have given a colors, I would like to filter it. Now see this, it is a mix up of the colors. Okay, let's go. Click on filter. Okay, text filter. So sorry, filter by color. You can choose the colors. What are all the colors available? Let me choose the blue. So it simply selected eighth. Okay, let me choose by another color like green. So it is sixth. So this is how you can able to filter in different ways. Okay, probably in future we are going to see other methods also. As of now, these are the different methods. So if you would like to unfilter, just select the sheet, go to the data, remove the filter. This is how it happens. Okay. I think if you like this video, please like it. It is very, very important. Whatever the walks of life for learning Excel. Okay. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. So you're good. So I'm just making the playlist of my all Excel series. So you can learn this. Okay. If you like it, please like it. I'm just it gives a boost to give more knowledge transfer in my channel. Try your skills. Thank you so much. Wishing all the best. Have a great day.